Google account, how to change password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change password of Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the password of your Google account, all you have to do is open any Google app, could be Google, Chrome, YouTube or whatever else, because no matter whichever Google app you open up, you'll find a Google profile icon from the top right. So you can just tap the Google profile photo from the top right and go to the option called manage your Google account. When you come to manage your Google account, in order to change your password, you can go to this option here known as security. And when you come to the security option over here, if you scroll down, you'll find this option over here known as password, and you'll find when your password was last changed as well. So that's actually quite impressive of Google to give us that data. So now we will tap on password. All we have to do is first, if you have two-factor authentication turned on, verify that and then enter the current password. Tap on next and it will take you to the page where you can enter your new password. And this way you can change the password on Google. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.